Good day to all dear students. Now in last video we have started our chapter number 16 trigonometry, and we have started with exercise 16b in our last video, in which we have seen how we can find sine, cos and tan values of an angle from the tables, trigonometrical tables. Now after 6 questions, today we will start with question number 8. In the question number 8, you all have to read the question well and then think how you can solve. First of all, see the figure. Here AB and EC are parallel to each other. Sides AD and BC are 2 cm each and are perpendicular to AB. The meaning perpendicular means it make 90 degree with the base. Given that angle AED is equal to 60 degree and angle ACD is equal to 45 degree, so without using tables, calculate. Now here we want to calculate AB, AC and AE values. So first of all we work some in figure first. You see AED is equal to 60 degree, then AD and BC are given to 2 centimeters. Then that is angle side AD is perpendicular to EC, means it makes 90 degree. And first of all we will find AE, that is in triangle AED. So I take sine 60 degree in triangle AED to get value AE. For that I use ratio sine 60 is equal to, that is opposite upon hypotenuse. Everybody you have to remember SOH. So means opposite upon hypotenuse. So sine 60 is equal to, opposite means AD upon AE, that is hypotenuse. Now next we put the value of sine 60. There is no requirement to see our table. We all know that previous table from 0 to 90, some values we have to remember. From that we use that sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to AD is given 2, put the value, and AE. So I get AE is equal to, in cross way you take 2 2s are 4 upon root 3. So AE value I got a 4 upon root 3 centimeter. So now one value I found. For the next value, that I will take AC. For that you have to think in which triangle we have to choose the ratio. So now in our next triangle ADC, I take sine 45 degree. In sine 45 again, sine means so means sine opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite in triangle ADC is AD and hypotenuse is AC. So I put value again, sine 45 degrees 1 upon root 2, AD is given 2, so that I place there, and AC I want to find out. So I get cross way multiplication, AC is equal to 2 root 2 centimeters. Here they do not ask to get the value in decimals, so if you put root values it is perfectly alright. Now also students, AB is equal to CD as it makes square. So now we think of AB. So AB is equal to CD, and already we can write AB is equal to 2 centimeters. Why? Because triangle ADC is 90 degrees, students. So in that angle A and angle C are equal. They are 45 degree. So the opposite sides are also equal. That way I have written here AB is equal to CD, and so CD is 2 centimeters. So AB also 2 centimeters. This way we got all the three values AB, AC and AE using different ratios. It is not compulsory use the same ratio. You can use different like cosine ratio and get the same answer, that is perfectly correct way. Now let us take question number 9. In the question number 9, BC is equal to 12 centimeters and AB is equal to 4 centimeters. Angle AEB is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 50 degree and angle C is equal to 30 degree. Calculate the length of BE and AC. Here we want two values. Now see the figure, students. Here all the values I have written which they have given. Also BC is given 12, that I have marked with the straight line downside, and AE is perpendicular, it means AEB is 90 degree. So now first of all we have to think that to find this BE and AC, which ratio should I select here. So here if I use cos 50 degree in triangle ABE, so I get cos 50 means CAH. CAH means cos adjacent upon hypotenuse. So cos 50 degree is adjacent to it. BE upon hypotenuse is AB. Cos 50 degree we have to check from our trigonometrical table from the back side of your textbook. Cosine, natural cosine table, you have to see 50 degree value, that is 0.6427 is equal to BE, and AB is given 4, that is placed in the equation. Now BE is equal to 4 multiplying 0.6427. So we get after the multiplication answer of BE. So after the multiplication value is 2.5708, which you can write up to 2 decimal place as 2.57 centimeter. This is our BE value which is they ask for the first value to find. Now to find other value AC. First of all I need to get EC value. Check your figure. BE is found, BC is given, so we can find EC as BC is equal to BE plus EC. Let us see how. So now the next step, here BC is equal to BE plus EC. That is already in the figure we can see the BC value is 12 and they are divided in two parts, BE and EC. We have just found our BE value 2.57, which we can substitute here to get our EC value. So EC is equal to 12 minus 2.57. So after subtraction that I get EC is equal to 9.43. Now this value I will use to get my next value AC. In triangle AEC, you have to think now which ratio should we take. Okay, so I take cos 30 in triangle AEC. So cos means again adjacent upon hypotenuse, adjacent to 30 degrees. EC upon hypotenuse is AC. Now cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 is equal to EC is 9.43, which we have found, and upon AC. So that here they have given in answer value as under root decimal. So we get decimal answer by substituting root 3 value, that we all know root 3 is 1.732. Okay, so we find AC value by 2 multiplying 9.43 upon 1.732, that is AC by multiplying 2 and 9.43 I get 18.86 upon root 3 value is 1.732, and then by dividing them I get 10.89 centimeters. Students, mind well, the backside answers of your textbooks are not correct sometimes, and here also there is mistake in answer of AC. So don't think this is incorrect. Your answer at the back may wrong values given sometimes. So AC is equal to 10.89 centimeters by our answer. Also you can check, students, that this 10.89 and our 2.57 you get nearby 12 value. It means it is correct answer. Okay, so here in the ninth question we have found our both the values. Now let us see question number 11. Students, which questions I am leaving, you have to solve by yourself accordingly as I am solving these questions. Question number 11, figure you are given 18.10. The radius of a circle is given as 15 centimeter and chord AB subtend an angle of 131 degree at the center C of the circle. Using trigonometry, calculate the length of AB and the distance of AB from the center C. So here circle is given and center is C given. AB is the chord given. So here you have to construct something as I have constructed, students, for solving this question. Also you are given radius 15 centimeter. So here there are two radii, AC and CB. There I have written in the figure 15, 15. Now angle ACB is equal to 131 degree, but if I take a perpendicular from C on chord AB, that is CM perpendicular to AB, then angle ACM and angle BCM are divided equally. So I have written angle ACM is equal to 131 degree divided by 2 is equal to 65.5 degree. Now you see we want to find AB value, so that I will find AM and BM, or whether if AM whatever the value we get same as BM. Now for that I use sine ratio, sine 65 5. Sine 65 degree and 5 minute in the triangle ACM, that is opposite upon hypotenuse AM upon AC. Now for the value of sine 65 degree 5 minute, you have to see your sine, natural sine trigonometrical table. Sine 65 degree is equal to 0.9063, and for 5 minute we will see the mean difference of phi, which will be add to the last digit, that is the fourth place, and we get value 0.9069, that I place at sine 65 degree and 5 minute is equal to AM upon AC value is 15, that is radius, so I place 15. Now to get AM, 15 multiplying 0.9069, that is 13.6035. This is my AM value. Now there is a property of circle, that in circle from the center if you draw perpendicular to the chord, then the chord divides, that perpendicular divides the chord. So here we have drawn perpendicular from the center, so here AB value is equal to twice of AM what we found here. So I wrote 2 multiplying AM, that is our AB value. So here 2 multiplying 13.60, which we found now, is equal to 27.2 centimeter, which they asked to find out first AB value. Now we want the distance of AB from the center C. The distance from AB to C is CM, which we have drawn as perpendicular, that is distance CM we want to find out now. So for that we will take cos 65 degree 5 minute in our triangle ACM. So cos means adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent to 65 degree 5 minute is CM upon hypotenuse is AC. Again for value of cos 65 degree and 6 minute or 5 minute, we will see our natural cosine table. I get 65 degree 6 minute value, that is 1 more minute to the required value. So I wrote that 0.4210, that you get at a 6 minute column, but there is a difference of 1. So mean difference of 1 is 3, which we have to subtract. We have already studied in our previous video that sine and tangent mean difference to be added and cosine mean difference to be subtracted from the fourth digit value. So here by subtracting it I get 0.4207. So I place that at cosine 65 degree 5 minute. 0.4207 is equal to cm and AC is 15. Now to get cm is equal to 15 multiplying 0.4207. So my second value cm is equal to 6.3 centimeter. That is the distance of AB from the center C, which they asked to find as second number. So here we completed up to question number 11. I hope you will do the rest of the question by yourself. Try to do it and solve it. Thank you.